Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. This time we're demonstrating an AM radio out of a 1970 Chevelle SS. This comes from Mac in Cross, South Carolina. Thank you, Mac, for your business from all the way across the country. Mac has requested the internal conversion to add FM, and since it's an AM radio originally, there's only one speaker output, so there's no balance or fader to worry about. So let's go ahead and turn it on and make sure everything works. I've got it set to AM right now to the one strong station I get in my area.
Don't settle. Get Gettles.
Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard that. Okay, so we're not going to do that because I don't do that on the demo. Just make sure it goes into pairing mode, and after 90 seconds, she'll come back on saying pairing not completed. So now we're going to go to FM, and if your radio does not have an AM/FM switch, then you change bands by turning it off, then right back on within about half a second. So here we go.
At the root.
Okay, off, on. Okay, now we're on FM, and I have all 5 presets, sets of stations in my area for a quick test.
Back on the issue. I mean, I could be floors, and I've been personally served.
Okay, and that takes care of that. There's not much to test on this particular radio. The dial face is missing. Customer most likely kept it because it was either in really fine condition and didn't want to mess it up, or he's sent it off to a rechroming service or some other type of cosmetic restoration company. So that's all there is to test on this radio. And so thank you for watching and listening. Thank you, Mac, for your business all the way from across South Carolina, and we'll see you guys next time.